Alright, in this video I'm going to show you the best YouTube video setting in CapCut video editing. If you have finished your work like this on my screen, you need to actually know the best setting in which to actually give it out by the time you want to upload to YouTube. So without much ado, I'm going to show you how to how to actually do that. Now on CapCut video editing, just click on export, and then by the time you click on export, you are going to see some options, and it is this option that will allow you to actually have the best editing for CapCut. Now the very first thing you have to do is to check out the resolution. Now resolution is very important when it comes to YouTube video. By the time you finish your editing, now you are going to change it to, well, depending, you might put it to 4K, but if you put it to 4K, it will be kind of very powerful, but you can actually put it at 1080p. And then the bit rate, you have to go to a very recommended one, or perhaps depending on your discretion, you can click on higher. Then another thing you can do is you can actually customize it, change it from CBR to VBR and other stuffs like that. But what you can actually do as a basic one is to click on the recommended one. Now the third one, as decoded, you leave it at H.264. Then the format, of course, is MP4. MP4 is okay, and the frame rate, you can actually play with 30 to 25 frame rate, but I actually go for 30 frame rate per seconds. Now by the time you set all this in CapCut video editing software, just click on export. Then you will see that your video, it will be so much crystal clear. So that is the best YouTube video setting, and if you want to upload it on YouTube, I'm gonna see you in the next video.